In the not-too-distant future, technological advancements are set to reshape industries and redefine the way we work. These technological wonders are so advanced that they have artificial intelligence, cutting-edge sensors, and other features that will surprise you. But what about the workforce? Will these machines render thousands of jobs obsolete, or will they create new opportunities? Join us as we delve deep into this incredible transformation and explore the groundbreaking technology behind these heavy equipment machines. Meet the Guardian XO Max, the brainchild of Sarcos, a trailblazing robotics manufacturer based in the United States. It took them a staggering 17 years and a mind-blowing investment of around $175 million in research and development to bring this marvel to life. And boy, was it worth it! This futuristic suit runs on a mere 400 watts of power, allowing you to glide at human speed. And the best part? It takes just 1 minute to slip into or out of this extraordinary creation. And here's the real kicker. Could you imagine construction sites of the future teeming with these awe-inspiring exoskeleton suits? With an awe-inspiring strength amplification of 20:1, it's not a far-fetched notion. The Guardian XO Max has the remarkable ability to make 100 pounds feel as light as a feather, a mere 5 pounds to the wearer. Now that's what we call a game changer. Let's dive deeper into this technological marvel. Integrated sensors embedded within the exoskeleton make it possible for operators to intuitively control the robot, harnessing their very instincts and reflexes. This groundbreaking feature minimizes the need for extensive human training. Yes, you heard right, the suit responds to your natural instincts, making it feel like an extension of your own body. Talk about a symbiotic relationship between man and machine. Now let's shift our focus to the Bijol Fire Combi MFT240, an absolute marvel of fire suppression. Designed meticulously, it offers maximum effectiveness and convenience, surpassing ordinary fire extinguishing methods. At the core of this powerhouse lies a mind-blowing pump module. With an astonishing flow rate of 240 liters of water per minute, it swiftly tackles even the most formidable firefighting scenarios. Powered by a high-performance diesel engine, the Bijol Fire Combi MFT240 ensures you have the strength to combat any blaze. Transportation and control are a breeze, with this incredible system mounted on a robust trailer. Equipped with heavy-duty load-bearing wheels and an impressive braking system, the trailer guarantees unwavering stability on any terrain. Safety is prioritized during every operation. Next up, we have the Volvo LX03. In 2018, Volvo and LEGO partnered up to release a Technique set featuring a Zoox future concept wheel loader. But guess what? That was just the beginning of an incredible journey. Fast forward 3 years and the Zoox has undergone a mind-boggling transformation, emerging as the LX03, a real, fully functional machine that's truly a game changer. This time, Volvo has flipped the script, making history by turning a LEGO Technique model into a tangible working marvel. Imagine the excitement as Volvo engineers, designers, programmers, and technicians in Sweden and Germany collaborated to bring this concept to life. The result? A jaw-dropping 5-ton wheel loader with a modular design that can adapt to different sizes and tasks. And here's the kicker. The LX03 is as environmentally friendly as it gets. Sharing its driveline with the L25 Electric, this machine emits zero emissions and operates silently, allowing it to work continuously for up to 8 hours. It's a sustainability superstar. But wait, there's more. The LX03 isn't just a powerful machine, it's also intelligent and safe. Equipped with a cutting-edge brain, it can adapt to various scenarios, make real-time decisions, and collaborate seamlessly with humans. It's like having a trusty teammate on the job site. The wheels of the LX03 are no ordinary wheels. They are packed with sensors that ensure impeccable balance and stability, even without human intervention. It's a marvel to witness, a perfect fusion of technology and engineering.